Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good afternoon. I have the most exciting news. I am so excited about this new subcategory that Evetech has finally added. Thank you. I don't know who did it at Evetech, but I'm looking and speaking at you right now. You're like literally the MVP of 2023 already. Because someone has put together a new arrivals page on Evetech. And on this page, you and I can see every single new product that has been added to the store. Probably, I don't know what the time period is. I've still got to figure that out. I've asked the marketing team. They don't really know yet. But yes, there is finally a portal on which you can quite simply see all of the new products and arrivals. I don't know who's done this, but it's really, really helpful. Okay, this has been sorely missing from the site for way too long. But it's fine. It's finally here. And I had a quick browse through the list, and there are some really cool products. So I'm not going to do a traditional something. We're just going to scroll and browse today, and we're just going to have a bit of a shop. So one of the first things I noticed is Thermal Grizzly is here, so I will be upgrading the thermal pastes at gunpoint if I have to. Marketing team, you literally just better prepare me samples for when I next come through. That's going to be a thing. Orico stuff, enclosures and stuff are also coming onto the Evetech store, which is really cool. Some adapters from Gizu and Orico as well. This is really, really awesome. PCI Express cables for like smaller parts and stuff for some of your power supplies also coming onto the store. That's good news. New fans, more Orico enclosures. These are very good. I use one to the day for my 3.5 inch drive, and it's like probably 5 years old, and it still crafts perfectly. So I'm really glad that these are here because they're really good bang for buck. USB ports, keycaps, new cases, new headsets, new charging docks, new fan kits, new desk clamps. The Elgato desk clamps are coming. New Cougar phone microphone arms. Cougar's new stuff I'm becoming steadily more and more excited by. I just did their GT240 Poseidon, and it was chef's kiss. Very, very good product. Pretty much perfect in line with price and performance as well. New NVMe's that are Gen 4 PlayStation 5 compatible for $1,400. But now you can just browse all of these right over here. Now, a couple of things that I really want to review that I'm noticing over here. There's a new Logitech Brio 500. I'm sure a lot of us content creators and stuff are going to be really interested in that. There's a new Wave. It's an XLR. I don't have an interface, but I'll get one to be able to test that. I know I would move heaven and earth to test that. A new TKL coming out from Corsair. I really like their keyboards, and their TKLs are pretty damn good. This as well caught my eye. It's a Stream Deck 2-in-1. It's got an audio panel as well. What can it do? I don't know. I would love to find out. Corsair, please send one over. Please, please, please. Elgato, please, please, pretty, please. Thank you. Scrolling down the list, it just keeps getting better and better. There's new Corsair chairs that have come out. Okay. These are finally here. Oh my word. Cannot believe it. Finally, we have RX 6700s at 6600 XT prices with 10 gigs of video memory. If you are playing games that need a lot of video memory, this is the cheapest way to get 10 gigs of video memory with a properly good core. That's not the last of these either. There's 6750 XT. So better than 6700 XT, which pretty much puts it right in line with 3070 for sub 10K. Brand new out the box. Really, really nice to see that coming through now as well. New upgrade kits are even listed in this list over here. The new processors, as they are now rolling out finally. There is some stock coming through Evetech for the X3D chips. Great news. But everything is here, guys. Literally everything. 6800 XT is back. Thank you. That's really nice. 700. Yo, that price point. My Gideon. Okay. I didn't think it was going to be that much. But yeah, if you want the best, that's what you're going to have to pay to get it. I just love this. This is just fantastic. Further down the list, it's finally here. 700 XTs and XTXs are finally available on the Evetech store. What we've all been waiting for and dying and kicking and pleading. Look at this. This is like a positive product stack. That's so good. I'm excited. I'm very, very happy. This is a great addition onto the Evetech store. I'm trying to get back there now, but it's not allowing me. Let me just go back and back again. There we go. And it picked up where it left off from. That's also improvement. 4070 Ti's are here. That's quite, ooh, that's a very nice looking one. The white with the white gaming extreme. That looks very, very cool. Oh wow, look at that back panel as well. That's very nice. That does look very, very nice. 4080s in stock. Like, dudes, 4060 laptops. Literally, as stuff is coming onto the store, it's being listed over here. Does this have a 12th gen processor? Yes, it does. That's a monster. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh man, I'm actually at a little bit of a loss for words. This is superb. This is absolutely fantastic. So now, graphics cards are in stock. As new stuff comes into stock, if you're looking for something specific, check this page first. It's just here on the main page. If you go over here, wait, where is it? Where is it?
12 seconds later.
There it is there. On the main page. Right there. Boom. Titan Elect Store. Okay, no, they're running out of stock, which is normal. I mean, we're in power grasses. But guys, now everything is just right here. This is going to make all of our lives, I think you can agree, significantly easier. And for me, I can just see what's coming into Evetech. And if it's something that I think should be reviewed, like a nice new webcam from Logitech, then that should be, you know, I'm going to be like, hey, MarkTech, give me the sample. Okay, so from this list then, we want that. We definitely want that. Should I do the... I haven't done 7,000 series. I've done 40,000. I've put some of that on the channel. Maybe I'll try and get one of these. We'll try Wingle or Wangle from XFX. Most definitely. But this is fantastic. Thank you. I don't know who did this at Evetech, but round of applause, gentleman's clap all around. Damn good job. That is probably the shortest buyer's guide I've ever done, but I think you can agree that this is a really, really good addition to the store. Absolutely fantastic. It's going to make my life a lot easier, and I'm sure a lot of your guys' lives a lot easier. So if there is something like a subcategory or a section or something that you think should be on the Evetech store, hit us up in the comments down below. Something else I thought might be a good idea would be a night mode for the Evetech store, so that people that are light sensitive can then view it in more eye comforty sort of setups. Do you think that would be a cool addition to the Evetech store? What else do you think the Evetech store should have or could need in the future? Let us know in the comments down below. Until next time, I hope you guys stay safe, keep well, and I will see you on the flip side.